Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to show the map compass on the main map on the GPS Tracks application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then tap on the settings button down below in the right side corner and click on map. Then you should scroll down until you find the show map compass feature, meaning that it will display the compass on the main map. So tap on this button, and as you scroll down you can also set the map compass display, such as heading or course, which will determine if the compass on the map will use the heading or the current course. Course will only change when you are moving, so tap on the relevant one that you would like to change. And basically that's in terms of the compass features. So that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.